Hello, guys. Your girl is Lolo'sKitchen. I'm back, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. So, guys, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And today's recipe is going to be Guliswa. You see how they're just coming in? Guys, this Guliswa is so yummy. Like, it's so good. By the way, I did two types. I did just the normal Guliswa that you all know, and then I was like, you know what, I'm going to try something different. And look at the inside, guys. It's Nutella, guys. I put some Nutella in there because I'm like, I was eating Nutella. This is how it started, guys. I have to tell you the story. My sister was eating Nutella with bread. I was like, oh, that looks good. Give me one. And then she gave me one, and I started eating. I was like, this is really good. And then my sister, I really love Guliswa, and I really want to make some for her because she surprised me yesterday. She showed up, guys, and I was really surprised. She flew from Colorado to Michigan, so I was very excited to see her because I miss her so much. So I wanted to make her Guliswa. So I was like, oh my god, I'm going to make Nutella Gullisuwa, and then perfect. And guys, wallahi, I swear to God, this Guliswa tastes better than the normal Guliswa. So please do try it and let me know what you guys think, okay? So anyways, I don't want to talk too much. Let's get to it. And again, guys, if you don't like it, just keep watching the video. I mean, you have to try this. You know what I mean? So don't just be like, no. You all need to try it. And again, even if you don't think you're going to try the Nutella Gullisuwa, I made both. So I make the normal Gullisuwa and also just with the Nutella, the new recipe. And also I have an old video, for Gullisuwa. You can also go watch that one. Pretty much the recipe is the same. So yes, anyways, guys, keep watching. I'm so excited. Like, I literally filmed this today, and I'm doing the voiceover today because that's how excited I am. I want to share it with you guys so bad. So let's get started, guys. So guys, I'll be using pig milk today. You can use pig milk or nido, or any madara gari. I know back in Nigeria there's a lot of madara gari, so you can use that, or I know the anti pig milk or nido are the best, but the little that I know, maybe they're better madara yanzu. But don't use it madara buhunna, because I hear there's a lot of madara buhu, and the allow madara, sorry, the Guliswa doesn't taste good with it. By the way, guys, I was about to say allow madara. If you need allow madara recipe, I also have it. So just check my old videos. You will see the recipe down there. And guys, I apologize. The video, this one is a little bit dark. I think I was playing with my phone a little bit to get the best lighting, but looks like it just gotten worse. So as you keep watching, you will see it's gonna be maybe a little bit better, because now when I realize that it's really dark, I kind of changed it. So like that. And guys, I hope you guys like my new kitchen, by the way. So you see right here, I changed it a little bit, and now it looks a little bit better. So I hope you guys like my new kitchen. I'm sure if you're a fan, you already know, you can see the difference. Yeah, so I'm really happy with my kitchen. And yeah, okay guys, so as you can see, I'm just mixing it really well. Actually, I'm doing this and I'm talking to my husband. No, right now I just test some. It's really good. By the way, oh my god, well, I'll wait until when we get there. I was gonna say I eat the dough a lot. Like, it's really bad. That's why sometimes I don't like to make Guliswa, because if I make it half of the dough, I will finish it before I get to frying it. Like, it's really bad. But anyways, I just added vanilla extract. Guys, you really need vanilla extract. I mean, you do, because I always make Guliswa all the time. Before, I didn't used to add any, and then the first time I added some, it's a game changer. And guys, that's butter. So you need some butter. Koda and kaɗan a ciki. I added about 2 tablespoons. It doesn't have to be kamar yadda nawa yayi ruwa. The reason why mine was like that, I just got mine out of the fridge, and then I put it on the microwave for like 10 seconds. Shi yasa yi haka. So really, if you don't have to, you don't have to. Idan a waje yake, ba sai an sa shi a microwave ba. So yeah, guys, and then mix it really well. Just kamar yadda nake yi dai. Alright guys, so after mixing really well, and so we're going to add some water. Please guys, really you have to add water. Like I mean really small. Even me now, I feel like I added a little bit too much. So please do your best to add only tiny bit. And you can start by just adding a little bit of drop of water and then mix it really well and then kind of see how that goes. So yeah, there we go. You see, Kashina Hanaga mixing in dodo. Like making guliswa is very easy, guys. For me, the only part I don't like actually is making the balls. That's the only thing I don't like. So lilia when really take too much time and then hannunka diki ta dinga irin lillikewa a jiki. So I don't like that. But apart from that, it's very easy to make. And another reason kuma is just because like I said, I think I already said that I eat the dough too much. So really, if not because my sister is here and I know how much she likes Guliswa, and I went home like 2 weeks ago, and she's telling me please make Guliswa, please, but I hadn't dawo ban yi ba. So, and with the surprise I got, oh my goodness, like yesterday, oh my god guys, I wish I can share. I mean, if you're not in my Instagram, then you're missing, because I had to upload I nice story, because I was so shocked. I was so surprised. I didn't see that coming, guys. But apparently my husband knew. He went to the airport. He left the house. Like, he usually doesn't go out. Like, at 10, he was like, oh my God, I forgot to give my friend his key, blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, okay, baby, say kadao. And then he left. And then by the time he came back, I was already upstairs. And then, voila. He knocked. And then he was like, Zo. I was like, what is it? What do you mean? He's like, Zo, look here. And then I looked down the stairs, and that's my sister. Oh my God, I'm already getting emotional, guys. But anyways, so yeah, I was very happy. If you're in my Instagram, you already know. You saw how excited I was. I was jumping in my oh my God, even though I wasn't even dressed up or anything. And I love that, I didn't even see that coming. Anyways, guys, enough with the story. So I don't even know why I think I went to look for something. But yeah, guys, that is it. So we're done with the dough. Now it's time to make of course, as you can see already, nafarechi. So yeah, guys, use spoon haka da a ciccire abun da yake hannun mutum, and then kind of you can wash your hand. For me, of course, then na gama gyara hannuna sosai. By that I mean sai da na gama lallashe hannuna sosai sannan na wanke shi. Alright guys, and then that is peanut oil. You can use any oil like vegetable. Don't use olive oil, please. If not, your guliswa will definitely taste like olive oil. So anyways, kashina zan fara liliyawa. So after like I said, ni wannan shine wahala gaskiya for me, making guliswa. And I feel like, let me know guys, how about you guys? Like, do you guys like making guliswa all the time? Is making the balls also hard? Ko kuma kawai for you guys it's easy? Musamman haka inda ɗan yawa, It's like kind of a lot, who eat it nasa hamma gaji, because it's just gonna be me and my sister na sun zami ta ci. So yeah, guys, just like I'm doing dai kuna gani, I don't know why in na dauka sai in bar kan camera ba ku gani sosai. I'm sorry, but at some point na san I came na zo ina nuna muku sosai. Alright guys, I'm done making the balls. So na gama liliya guliswa mu, and then gashi nan guys, wannan kun ga syringe ne. So sannan kuma that's the closest thing I can think of. So kawai sai na duba maganin Bilal da zai sai na ga akwai wannan syringe din a ciki, sai na dauko shi. So sannan kuma kun ga wannan Nutella ce. I was thinking of putting it in the microwave for a few seconds, but no, it's gonna be zai yi ruwa da yawa. So I was like, no, that's the bad idea. So I didn't do that. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Tunda dai as irin ina zuƙowa, so it's coming out. So that's perfect. So yeah guys, so this is how we're going to start. As you can see, it's a little bit difficult, but we get there. All you need to do is get a paper towel. When you get some, just clean it, and then before barsa. Alright guys, that's the first one. Yawwa gashi na kun gani yanzu syringe din ya dan clean, right? So gashi na yanzu kun ga na sa a ciki. I put some in there, and then yes, gashi na ta shige ciki. Look at that, guys. So And then yeah, it's gonna be a little bit messy, but that's fine. Like I said in the kungani already from the beginning on the video, it turned out to be perfect. So this is all back home. But I don't want you guys to worry. And one thing you can do is get a little bit of some Guliswa from the dough, and then see then you patch it on. So she can't go, guys. So that's the first option to do this. Kungani gashina, perfect. Another way to do this is instead of after already you made the ball, you can make it this way. So as you can see, I'm trying to make it like another ball, and then I will, make it flat, and then I will put some Nutella haka on the middle. That way, so can go on instead of saying na riga na gama hada ball, and then shi kuma yanzu kawai sai in yi haka. So at the beginning, I thought this was perfect. I was like, oh yeah, this is, I like that. But then I was like, oh no, it was really, really messy. And then guys, I'm sharing with you guys with this for the first time. So I'm not an expert, so it's just the first time. So anyways, guys, at the end, I went back doing it the first way, guys. So that was so much easier. When I did this, I was like, oh my God, yeah, this is better. And then when I did the second one, I was like, oh no, la 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 la, you're not gonna be do that. So anyways, I went back doing it again. Like I said, the first time was so much better. So yeah, guys, feel free, do it any way you want to, whatever is gonna make your life easier. So, and then guys, yeah, let's get to the prime part, the fun part. So guys, frying Guliswa, especially if it's not irin miyawa, kama irin back home ta siyarwa haka or something, you should get something small. So make sure you get a small pot, kama wannan tawa da kuka gani, sa nuna muku ita sosai, irin a cikin tukwanen nan set ne haka, so ita ce da karamar ciki. If I have a smaller one, I'll probably use it because that way, oil I can just save it or something like that. It's not bashidewa. I wouldn't feel bad, or anything like that. So anyways, again, I'm using peanut oil. You can use vegetable oil. And then, so the reason why for the small pot, first of all, Guliswa tapu so you also say, and another reason is that you don't, let your oil go to waste. So that's good, right? So yeah, gashi na kun ga na zuba mai a ciki. So yanzu za mu bari ya dan yi zafi kaɗan for a few seconds, and then kind of go from there. So guys, my yayi zafi. I'm going to start by adding one just to see, and yeah, looks good, guys. So don't put all of it, just put some few, just like I'm doing, guys. So I added 10, 12, something like that. And then just give it 5 minutes or so, because bad at it you and didn't so you. And then yeah, kind of go from there, guys. Really, guys, if I'm in Nigeria, oh my goodness, I will get to work, guys. I'll make sure everyone try this Nutella Gullisuwa, and then just just to get feedback. So I will really appreciate it, guys. When you're trying, please, guys, come and comment. And I hope this will be the reason for someone to start something new, something different. I think some people have made maybe now, I don't know, to be honest, I'm just saying this. I think I've seen it somewhere as a need Milo, a chicky in the middle. So I don't know how that tastes like. Maybe I'll try it. I'm not sure where I've seen that, but I think I have. But Nutella, I don't know if someone has ever tried that. So please, guys, try it and let me know. Believe me, to me, this tastes better than just like that, than the normal Guliswa, without adding anything in the middle. So I hope you guys will try it and let me know, guys. Also, let me know, but you don't even have to go and try it and come back. Is it a good idea? Will you try it? Just comment down below, guys. Yeah, and also if you guys want me to do, if you guys want me to also be, to try something different, let's say, allow madara, I can also sit and think of what to do, and we can add something into it too. I don't know. We'll try that and see. But yeah, guys, kun gani har mun gama soyawa ba ta daɗewa, and I like mine to be ta soyu sosai. So I like mine to be really, really, really brown haka sosai. Shi sa kuka na soya wannan sosai. But before the ngama isn't making sure my sister ta tabbata ta yi sosai ba because ita ba ta san haka. So yeah, guys, keep watching, guys, and then yeah, kind of go from there, guys. I feel like because maybe it's been a while I did this, I feel like I'm losing it. But yeah, guys, we get back. And voila, look at that, guys, all done. Ga Guliswa mun ta fito sosai ranka da dau. And then I can't wait for you guys to try this. Like, oh my god, you'll be so surprised, guys, how good this is. Kuma sannan Nutella din bata yawa ba a ciki. So it's like perfect, guys. That is sosai perfect. So yeah, guys, look at that. And then yeah, guys, I'm gonna take some pictures for Instagram. So I'm gonna set it up a little bit and then kind of go from there, you know. By the way, guys, if you're not following me on Instagram, you need to. Yep, right there, that's my handle, Lolo'sKitchen, guys. All right, guys. Hi, guys. So done with pictures for Instagram, and I'm going to try the Guliswa with you guys. Wow, it is really good. Different. Or like, do you want to try with me on YouTube? You want to try the Guliswa with me on YouTube? Yes, that's it. Yes. No, okay. I'm not okay. Come on, please. You know what I mean? She's still in her pajamas. She doesn't want to show her face. Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna eat one more. This is so good. Come try some. Oh my god, guys. Yes, everyone must try this recipe. Oh my goodness, it's really, really good.
You must finish it all.
This is my second one. She said I'm about to finish it all. Let's go one. Oh, so good, guys. Alright, guys, I'll let you guys go. Please try it. Don't forget to comment, like the video, share it with your family and friends. Alright, guys, bye bye.